Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdygirlreviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for all of the new goodies. Alright, first with the mundane, you already know, my paper towels, 140. My strong and soft 2-ply, 4 rolls, 125 a piece. I picked this up in their Craft Your Square section, sequins. As you can see, comes a variety of nice pretty pinks and purples. The reason why this drew my attention is because, again, I'm in the middle of doing a DIY. Let me show you guys how it's going. I think it's going relatively nice. For right now, we have is, these typical sequins. Glittery, nice, bedazzled look. And I might fill in the rest with these sequins. So yeah, for $1.25, I might use a mixture of both, but I'll keep you guys posted to see how it continues to look, so stay tuned for that. These are new to my branch of the Dollar Tree. They've brought in, the candy jar with lid, little teeny ones, and I think Bargain Bethany already reviewed them on her channel, and I'll link that in the description box below. But yeah, you can put your little knickknacks, studded jewels or whatnot, and things that you've used for crafts, and these nice little containers. Also, if you just want to keep things, organized, maybe some earrings or whatnot, you can kind of pop these in these little jars, and it has like this cute little lid. So again, it seems like it's going to be relatively small, so small items are best. But yeah, not bad. I bought two packages, $1.25 each. I thought I'd give this is in their tech section by eCircuit, micro USB cable. I'll give this a try. I'm not 100% sure if it will 100% work, but if it does, I will definitely let you guys know if this is worth the $1.25. But it comes in an assortment of colors, and you can see a nice, pretty rainbow color, and perfect for Pride. So there you go, guys. $1.25. Also in their tech section, they have also an assortment of LED flashlights, and these are great. Just great to keep on hand, in case you go camping or whatnot, or if you're just kind of looking through some of your stuff and it may not be well lit. You have a nice flashlight. Takes AAA batteries, and I think they've changed it. I know that the old flashlight was a little longer, so this is more compact, but still nice. And yeah, $1.25. And of course, to go with it, the AAA batteries. I think usually they hold about like 3, so I believe, and it says here 3. Yes, 3 AAA batteries. They're LED flashlights. If you see it, snag it. This is new from the Dollar Tree, at least in my branch. Wallpaper, and this is a really nice, pretty, earthy kind of vibe, leafy foliage and whatnot. They're $1.25 a sheet. Again, it just depends on the space. I want to put it in a frame, so I just bought one, but isn't that really pretty? I liked it, and it looks really summery. And they have a number of other visuals there, patterns and whatnot, so you have an assortment of pictures and whatnot, and however you want to decorate. So yeah. Now lastly, I just want to get into this. This is really cool, and I'm not 100% sure how long it's been at my branch, that they have a number of colors. Well, actually, they only have black and white, but the white is completely gone. So it made no sense for me to buy anything in white if it's going to go in a unanimous color. I think you can spray paint them, but I think I opted for the black one because it's all I could find. So this is Jot, and yes, I know I've complained before about Jot not being all that great, but I think they're working on definitely their branding and their products. I'm going to give this a try because this has been reviewed. I can't even tell you. I'll place in the links in the description box below how many videos I've already come across by Jot. This Jot, I believe it's called their Square Pegboard collection. This is creatively organized by Jot, and you can see it brings 2 pegboards. It's per package. They come in white, but I only found these were, believe it or not, guys, these were the last two. So I was able to snag these 4 because they were the last one standing. So again, these are becoming very popular, kind of like the gnomes. Again, I don't know who sends out the memo, but these pegboards are going quicker than I don't know what. So again, I believe you can use these adhesive rinks to put in the back so that way it stays. But again, just be careful because I think the adhesive is really strong on these things. So you want to place them carefully and just make sure, like maybe even take a step back before you place anything, because I think they might be a little on the difficult side to remove. But nonetheless, these are adhesive rinks, and they bring 4 per package. And as you can see, there's directions in the back on how to place them, and it's 4 per pack. So I bought two of these to go with the 4 pegs that I got at Pegboards. Also, I saw this from their collection, pegboard hooks, that I believe you can maybe even place at the bottom depending on how you fix it or however you want to put them together. But yes, and it's two pieces, 2 sets of hooks for $1.25. I also came across this nice tray that you can place on the pegboard. Yeah, pegboard shelf. And so I bought it in black because again, I wanted to go unanimous. I have a unanimous coloring. And I also picked up their pegboard cup holder. Now again, if you want to put in organization your crafts, your DIYs, your scissors and whatnot, this is perfect. And again, I will link Bargain Bethany's video in the description box. She has a great video on how you can even use it to organize your makeup. So again, stay tuned for that, and I'll link it down below. Also, I was able to find their Creative Organized by Jot loop hooks, and they have an assortment of bigger hooks and smaller hooks. The smaller hooks bring 3, and the bigger hooks are 2. So just keep that in mind. I just figured since I didn't get enough pegboards, I'd just get the 2. I think I might use my pegboard for makeup or something of that sort. And I did find this, and they didn't have it in black, so I picked it in white, or like a nice beige gray hanging organizer tray. And yes, you can drill holes, but this, again, I've had issues with power drills that I haven't been able to find, so I opted for their adhesive rings again. So, and I bought them in white just so that it doesn't stick out too oddly in the back. So yeah, I will definitely keep you guys posted, let you know if these products were really worth the $1.25. But honestly, I'm excited because I've gotten really into the whole organizational thing. So but yeah, I will link all those videos and all the recommendations in the description box below. So in the time being, I hope you guys have enjoyed this really small haul, and I will keep you guys posted with any new developments, and if all this new material was truly worth it. I honestly think it is, and it'll look really nice. And if you see it, again, if you see it in my background, then you know where it came from. So alright, y'all, if you like what you see, give us a like, leave us a comment down below. If you want to follow my videos, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY, my next haul, my next review. And please stay tuned because more reviews are coming. Alright, y'all, till next time. XOXO. Nerdy girl.